Hello, property owners and managers. If you're finding it tough to balance tenant communication, maintenance coordination, rent collection, and documentation, often all in a single day, then it's time to consider a smarter approach. In today's digital age, mobile apps are reshaping property management by enhancing accuracy, speed, and tenant satisfaction. These powerful tools not only simplify day-to-day tasks, but also help you manage your rental properties more efficiently and professionally. In this video, we'll show you how to use mobile apps to bring clarity, convenience, and control to your rental operations right from your smartphone. 1. Streamline tenant communication in one place. Effective communication is key in property management, and mobile apps offer a centralized platform to manage all tenant interactions. Instead of handling emails, calls, and text messages across different channels, these apps consolidate communication into one streamlined interface. Tenants can submit queries, report issues, or request services in real time, and you can respond promptly, all within the app. With platforms like AppFolio, Rentec Direct, or Buildium, landlords can send bulk notices, maintain logs of every interaction, and track responsiveness, resulting in fewer misunderstandings and a more professional image. 2. Simplify rent collection and track finances automatically. Say goodbye to manual rent collection and spreadsheet updates. Property management apps allow tenants to pay rent through secure online portals using cards or bank transfers. You can automate rent reminders, apply late fees, and generate financial summaries without manual effort. Platforms like RentRedi and Cozy provide both landlords and tenants with dashboards to monitor payment histories and upcoming dues, enhancing transparency and reliability. This automation ensures consistent cash flow and reduces the time spent chasing payments. 3. Automate maintenance requests and vendor coordination. Dealing with maintenance can be exhausting, but mobile apps make the process easier and more structured. Tenants can submit requests, complete with photos or videos, and receive real-time acknowledgments. You can then assign tasks to vendors, schedule appointments, and track progress from one place. Apps like PropertyWare and Hemlane help you maintain complete records of each work order while cutting down delays and confusion. The result? Faster resolution, better accountability, and improved tenant satisfaction. 4. Speed up leasing and tenant screening. Leasing becomes a breeze with digital applications. Mobile tools let prospective tenants submit applications, upload documents, and pay fees online. You can conduct background and credit checks directly within the app and send lease agreements for electronic signature. With platforms like Zillow Rental Manager or Tenant Cloud, you can widen your reach and shorten the vacancy period, all while maintaining a seamless, contactless experience that appeals to today's renters. 5. Conduct and record inspections with mobile precision. Routine property inspections are essential for protecting your investment. Mobile inspection apps allow you to create customized checklists, take time-stamped photos, and generate digital reports immediately on-site. You can conduct move-in, move-out, and routine inspections with fewer errors and faster turnaround. Tools like Z-Inspector and HappyCo let you share reports with tenants or co-owners directly through the app, ensuring transparency and consistency in documentation. 6. Monitor expenses and generate real-time reports. Staying on top of your financials is crucial for successful property management. Mobile apps help you categorize expenses, upload bills, and produce income and expense reports effortlessly. Many sync with accounting tools like QuickBooks for streamlined operations. Apps like Stessa and Rent Manager offer real-time insights into your rental portfolio's financial performance, helping you make informed decisions on the go, whether you're managing a single property or a full portfolio. 7. Access critical property data anytime, anywhere. Mobile apps allow you to carry your entire property management office in your pocket. Need to check tenant profiles during a property visit or review a lease agreement during a meeting? All documents, communication logs, invoices, and inspection reports are available instantly. This anytime, anywhere access is invaluable for landlords managing multiple properties or frequently on the move. 8. Enhance the tenant experience and increase retention. A good tenant experience leads to better occupancy rates and long-term success. Mobile apps empower tenants to handle rent payments, submit service requests, and stay informed with minimal effort. Some platforms also offer features like community updates, amenity bookings, or parcel tracking to add convenience. A tech-savvy, responsive experience builds loyalty and encourages tenants to renew leases, saving you time and marketing costs. 9. Stay organized with smart scheduling and task management. Time management is simplified through built-in calendars, reminders, and task assignment tools. You can delegate duties to staff, contractors, or vendors and monitor their progress in real time. These features help prevent oversights and streamline day-to-day operations. When your tasks and timelines are automated, you free up energy to focus on expanding your rental business or improving tenant engagement. 10. Choose custom features that match your portfolio. Not all landlords need the same tools, and that's where app customization comes in. Whether you manage a few independent units or a multi-building complex, there are scalable apps to suit your needs. Many allow you to add or remove features, such as vendor integration, resident portals, or advanced reporting modules based on your specific requirements and budget. This flexibility ensures you're only paying for what you use while retaining the option to expand as your portfolio grows. Bonus tip: prioritize data security and privacy. As you transition to mobile property management, don't overlook cybersecurity. Choose apps that offer end-to-end encryption, two-factor authentication, and compliance with local data protection laws. Keeping your tenant and financial data secure protects not just your reputation, but also ensures regulatory compliance. Regular software updates and staff training on digital safety are equally important in building a secure property management system. Ready to transform your property management experience with mobile technology? At SANGAU, we help landlords in Bengaluru achieve hassle-free rental management using smart tools and expert support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on efficient property management. Let's make your rental journey smoother and more successful together.